Hello, everyone. I'm Liam, and welcome back to NG Skill Podcast. Welcome to this English shadowing practice. In this episode, you will hear 20 natural daily English sentences. I will say each sentence slowly and clearly. Then, Christina will shadow and repeat the sentence with me. Let's begin. I'm getting ready for work right now.
I'm getting ready for work right now.
Can you give me a minute, please?
Can you give me a minute, please?
I don't feel very well today.
I don't feel very well today.
What time do you usually wake up?
What time do you usually wake up?
Let's grab something to eat.
Let's grab something to eat.
I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
I didn't mean to sound rude.
I didn't mean to sound rude.
That makes a lot of sense now.
That makes a lot of sense now.
I'm still trying to figure it out.
I'm still trying to figure it out.
Do you mind if I sit here?
Do you mind if I sit here?
I'm running a little late. Sorry about that.
I'm running a little late. Sorry about that.
It's been a long day. I'm pretty tired.
It's been a long day. I'm pretty tired.
I'm not sure if that's the best idea.
I'm not sure if that's the best idea.
Let me know when you're free.
Let me know when you're free.
I completely forgot about that.
I completely forgot about that.
I'm just going to take a short break.
I'm just going to take a short break.
It depends on how much time we have.
It depends on how much time we have.
I wasn't expecting that at all.
I wasn't expecting that at all.
I'll think about it and let you know.
I'll think about it and let you know.
Everything worked out in the end.
Everything worked out in the end.
Great job! Repeat this episode every day to improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence.